What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT for free full version. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All you need to do, just open this site. I'll leave you this link in description of video. When you open this site you will see OpenAI. Get answers and find inspiration. Click here on start now and you will see this new tab and you will see message how can I help you. Just type anything. When you do that like me, asking question, hit enter and you will get answers. If you need correctly answers and pictures, go here to register. Choose Google account, Microsoft account or Apple account. When you register like me, choose your name and go accept. After that you can now generate image and surprise boxes like this. Just wait for this. As you can see, I got my wallpaper and you can ask him all what you will. And that's it all guys for this video, how to use ChatGPT for free and full version. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video.